my daily guide. She keeps me in line, keeps me in check, and sometimes just stares at me like, what the heck? She says, don't forget the milk when I'm heading out. So I buy 5 things, but the milk I doubt. I come home proud like I saved the day. She just sighs and mutters, bless his brain. This is a wife song, bless her sweetheart. She's the brains of the ship, I just push the cart. She knows every drawer, every cupboard and nook, while I stand there lost with my dumb little look. She sighs and helps me get it all wrong, still sticks around. This is the wife song. She's got eyes in the back of her head, I swear. I sneak a snack, she's already there. Weren't you on a diet, she says with grace, while I've got frosting smeared all over my face. This is the wife song, I sing it loud. She's the queen of calm while I'm chaos in a crowd. She folds the towels in some secret way, and I mess them up every single laundry day. She don't complain, well, not for too long. That's love in this wild and wifely song. She laughs at my jokes even when they fall flat. She tells me gently, no, you can't wear that. She's got patience like a saint, but sass like a whip. And she still holds my hand on every road trip. This is a wife song, my lifelong cheer. She's been right for 20 married years, through leaky roofs and busted cars, through burnt meatloaf and half-finished jars. She's the reason I keep trudging along, so I tip my hat with this old wife song. So fellas, if your ladies put up with your ways, write her a song or just do the dishes for days. Love ain't perfect, but if it's this strong, you're lucky enough to sing your own wife's song.